So student, let's see the recent news, that is scientists identify formation of 3 planetary systems around this binary star. Bringing together 3 decades of study, an international group of scientists have observed a pair of stars orbiting each other to reveal that these stars are surrounded by disks of gas and dust. Using the Very Large Array, that is VLA, and the Atacama Large Millimeter or Submillimeter Array, that is ALMA, the scientific group has studied the binary star SVS13. Still in its embryonic phase, this work has provided the best description available. Models of planet formation suggest that planets form by the slow aggregation of ice and dust particles in protoplanetary disks around forming stars. Usually, these models consider only single stars such as the Sun. Most stars from binary systems in which 2 stars rotate around a common center. Very little is yet known about how planets are born around these important twin star systems in which the gravitational interaction between the 2 stars plays an essential role. Their results have revealed that each star has a disk of gas and dust around it, and that in addition a larger disk is forming around both stars. This outer disk shows a spiral structure that is feeding matter into individual disks, and in all of them planetary systems could form in the future. This is clear evidence for the presence of disks around both stars and the existence of a common disk in a binary system. The binary system SVS13 consists of 2 stellar embryos with a total mass similar to that of the Sun. The 2 stars in the system are very close to each other with a distance of only about 90 times that between the Earth and the Sun. The work has made it possible to study the composition of gas, dust, and ionized matter in the system. In addition, nearly 30 different molecules have been identified around both protostars, including 13 complex organic molecules, precursors of life. This means that when planets begin to form around these 2 suns, the building blocks of life will be there. The scientific team has used the observations of SVS13 obtained by the VLA over 30 years together with the new data from ALMA and has followed the motion of both stars over this period, which has allowed their orbit to be traced as well as geometry and orientation of the system, along with the many fundamental parameters such as the mass of the protostars, the mass of the disks, and their temperature.